According to the EPA, indoor air is often 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Indoor air pollution is divided into 3 types. Air filters only capture one type, particulates. That leaves the other 2 untreated. Biological contaminants include mold, bacteria, and viruses. Chemical contaminants called VOCs cause odors and are potentially toxic. For complete air treatment, you need Edison Defender, the whole house air purifier. Edison Defender works continuously in the central air system where it purifies all the air in the home or office. As the air is circulated, contaminants are treated by the Edison Defender system. UVC light energizes PCO carbon cells, which capture and neutralize odor-causing VOCs. What remains is harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide, which are released back into the air. Mold, bacteria, and viruses are sterilized by the UVC light, which destroys their DNA, preventing them from reproducing. Carbon cells are self-cleaning, and the system is virtually maintenance-free. It's safe, effective, and produces no harmful ozone. For the healthiest indoor air, choose Edison Defender.